All right, happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back to yet again another video. So you saw the title today. We have 5 stocks that have very high short interest that could be squeezing in the short term here to break down. We're going to go over the charts, what I'm looking to do, where I'm looking to buy, sell, do all that good stuff. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, get your free stocks from Moo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. Whoops, let me actually recenter this. You get 5 stocks, fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So like I said, guys, we have 5 stocks to break down today, all of which have ridiculously high short interest and all of which could be squeezing in the short term. But let me say this now. These stocks are very risky. Trade at your own risk. I'm only trading these with an amount of money I'm willing to lose, and these are trades, not long-term investments. I'm not buying and holding these for years. You could if you want. I'm not telling you guys what to do. All I'm saying is I'm not doing that. These are meant for short-term trades. So let's get into it. Let's not waste any time here. Number 1 is Groupon, ticker symbol GRPN, which this stock, guys, get ready for this, has a 40% short interest. Yes, you heard that right, 40%. Unbelievable. So Groupon has been all over the place. This stock was at $18 back in, when was this? A couple months ago, back in July, and now it's at $11, $12 after just being at $7 just about a month and a half ago, guys, right? So it looks like here in the short term, Groupon is starting to reverse. The company reported earnings mid-November. It tanked after that. The stock went from around $11.90 to about $7.75. And since that point, guys, we've been reversing. We're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross right now. And the fact that we're breaking out of 1180, 1190 roughly, which was the high from mid-November right before earnings, the fact that we're breaking out of there, that's a very good sign in the short term. So in my opinion, guys, if this thing cracks over 12 tomorrow, during this week, that could be a breakout sign, that momentum's building up even more, and then maybe we can ride this up to about 1350, roughly the high from the beginning of this month of December. Then if that were to break, guys, we could be going 14, maybe even higher. I mean, look, $14 was roughly the high from, during August, so that's a big spot worth watching. But again, in the very short term, we got to keep our eyes peeled on $12, which I'll set my alert there right now. I'm telling you, man, if that breaks, momentum's really going to start to build up. And who knows, a squeeze could be coming and we could be going a lot higher. So $12 is where I'm looking to get in on this one. HTZ, Hertz, is another one which has 35% short interest. And Hertz, guys, has come down over the last couple of weeks from $5 to about $3.10. Now we're at $3.60. Looks like we are holding an uptrend here. Let me actually clear the drawing set very quickly and get this channel tool out, guys. Look, holding an uptrend, currently at the bottom of the channel, holding a higher low here at about 320, now pushing to the mid threes, and we're right at the moving averages right now. So if HTZ can break out of 380, 390, these moving averages here, man, on the 4-hour chart, this could be setting up for a move mid-high fours, dare I say, back to $5 per share. So HTZ, guys, looks really good. The fact that we're already getting a couple of green days in a row, we're bouncing off the bottom of the channel, that's a very good sign. Now, let's see if that momentum, that green, can continue heading into this week. Will we gap above these moving averages tomorrow, Tuesday, whatever it may be? Will we start running? That is what I'm watching out for. So number 3 is OPK, Opko Health, which is at about $1.50 right now per share, and it is pretty beaten down. We're a bit oversold. This one has 34% short interest, and we're at the bottom of this uptrending channel right now on the 4-hour chart, and we're holding, you guessed it, a higher low. Excuse me, guys. I'm still battling this sickness. Actually, I woke up this morning. My voice is still a bit screwed up, let's be honest, but I woke up this morning feeling a little bit better. I'm getting better, guys, so that's good. Cheers to that, by the way. I appreciate you all for tuning in, by the way, guys. So Opko Health, OPK, let's see if it can bounce off of this trend line. Simple as that. You know, I'm going to see if we can break back over, let's say, $1.50. $1.55. Let me do this now. Mark is at or above. I'll set my alert at $1.55, and we'll see what we do from that point. Pretty simple, guys. I'm looking to see if this can be a nice continuation play in the short term. So number 4. But actually, wait. Before we talk about number 4, guys, don't forget to get on the email list. You got to do that. It's free, and every Monday I'm sending you my top 3 stocks right to your email. And guys, it's linked down below. Put your first name, put your email address. It takes 10 seconds, and boom, I'm going to send you an email like I do to over 2,000 people right now for free. So guys, get in there in the description box. So Altimmune, ALT, is the 4th stock, which is pretty beaten down. It is. It went down 4% on Friday, but with that being said, we're still holding this trend. We're still holding a higher low right here, and kind of like the previous one, I want to see if this could be a continuation play. That's simple, right? We hit about $11. Now we're down to $7.60, down about 30-40% from that high. Pretty beaten down. And again, the trend's holding. We're at a higher low. We're not quite yet getting the bounce, but that's kind of what I'm waiting for, right? I'm going to set my alert, I'd say at around 850. I'd like to see this break 850. And from there, maybe it could be a nice rebound play back towards 950, 10, maybe even higher than that. But overall, 850 needs to break. As you guys can see, that's been resistance for a lot of this year. So that's Altimmune, 32% short interest, ticker symbol ALT. And last but not least, guys, ENVX, which is Enovix Corporation. We've covered them before, I believe. This one's got 31% short interest, and guys, momentum is already starting to build up. This stock just about a week ago was at $8, under $8, and now we're at $11.20. We're up 45%. We're back over the moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Now we're starting to break out of the highs from around a month ago, being about $11, which is really good news. We broke out of that high, closed above it on Friday. So this means the next gap to fill is right around $13, guys. So we could be making, keyword is could, be making our way to $13. This gap could fill potentially at some point in the next couple of days. So keep your eyes on it. ENVX, 31% short interest. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. And again, I can't say it enough. These stocks are very risky. Please trade at your own risk. I'm personally trading these with an amount of money I'm willing to lose. That's how I trade these stocks, guys. The high short interest, more speculative, risky stocks. So we'll leave it at that. Hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. Check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio weekly and get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get on it. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.